Hello friends! Today I will show you how to make this cute little creature. It's a coin holder. I keep my quarter in here and it's a very silly cute little thing. I made another video to show you how to make this other one. It's a little similar but not quite, so it has a little twist on this one. It has a beard and arms and legs, and I clip that on my purse. I'll show you. I'm just gonna put it like this and just gonna keep it like that, hanging on your purse to keep your coins in it. All right, if you want to see how I make one of these, stick around. Okay, for this project I will need this one. I made it with polypropylene, but I thought I want to show you with this yarn. This is the one that I use. I bought it from Walmart. Then I need this one. It's like a googly eye that has like a little, it's like a finger puppet. You can find it on Amazon. And then I use this like little circles, beads. I will use my scissor and I'm gonna use a 2.5 millimeter hook, crochet hook. To start, I will cover this plastic little loop with single crochet, and I will also start making the little beard. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so first I'm gonna do a single crochet here to secure that and leaving a little thread behind. So I'm gonna cover this thread with whenever I go around it. So I do one single crochet and then I'm gonna start working on this little beards. So these are just chains, and for these I'm gonna make let's see, 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see how that look. You make it however if you want long beards or short beards. It's up to you. And I'm gonna make, see, a single crochet here, and I'm gonna make another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and single crochet. And you see how I'm covering this little excess, not excess, but the yarn that was behind. I'm covering with it, so it'll be easier to hide it. You see that? Okay, so I'm gonna make 9 of this around. Now I will be completing the 9th of this little loops, and I have chain 9, and I will close with a single crochet, and I will make one more single crochet at the end. This part, it'll be a little tricky because of this big eyes in the way, but there you go. Okay, so now we have that beard part. You can make it longer if you want, or shorter, however you want it. And at this point, we have these, and we are gonna work in the handle now. So for that, I will change 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 25 chain, and I will connect it with the beginning right here. So I will connect it with the other side here with a slip stitch. It gets tricky because of those big eyes in the way. Okay, we have our handle now. It looks so cute, just like that, huh? Okay, now we're gonna work on our little pouch that will hold our coin. For that, I will chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I will connect it on the other side. You see where I am? On the starting of the handle, and I will connect it to this other piece here. Hope you can see well. There, I'm gonna pull it a little bit. There. You see, I'm connecting here with a single crochet. no, single crochet, slip stitch, sorry. Oops, I didn't grab my all the little thread. Oh, I pull it again. Come on, give it to me. Okay, I think I'm losing one. Okay, there. Let's do it again. And here I will slip stitch. There you go. So I have 7 chain, and I have 1. That'll be the opening, and I need another one, another chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and I will connect it to this other side again, the opposite side. You see that? I'm going in here. It can get a little tricky, but you can do it. It'll look beautiful at the end, and you'll be glad that you tried it. Okay, so let's just connect in here again with a slip stitch. Yeah, tricky is the thing. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna chain 3 to start making our pouch. 1, 2, 3. And I will double crochet around this 2 chains that we just did. So we're gonna make around this 2. Okay, I'll show you. So double crochet, and we're gonna do that 6 times in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I will double crochet from there. I'm going to work on the other side now. Here in the other chain, again double crochet. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there I will connect it to the chain that I did earlier. Can you see here? I'll connect it with this one. Give me this piece. Connect it with the slip stitch. See that? And I will do chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And again, we're gonna do double crochet around this. Okay? Now I come to the end, and again another slip stitch at the beginning of the chain 3 that I did earlier, and one more. I'm going to do chain 3, and again we're going to be doing single crochet. Oops, here's my loop there. Single crochet around this to make that little pouch. It's gonna look so cute. It's so nice to leave it around for people to find with a little quarter. I left a couple on where you feed the fish, and also just leave it on a Aldi's cart. You'll be happy if you find one of these. Well, maybe you can make somebody be happy and make one of these for somebody. What do you think? It's good to make people happy. Okay, we come to the end and we'll connect it again. And this is our last row for our pouch. Now we're gonna test it with our coin. Actually, we should have tested earlier just to make sure it fit. But I know it fit. There you go, look at that. Starting to look like a little green monster. Okay, so let's get our quarter and put it in there. It needs to be a little, you know, like a little snug, so that it won't go anywhere. Okay, so now we just need to cover this. Okay, so now we are going to just close this end so that our coin won't fall. And that's super simple. We are just going to do, let's see, I'm just gonna do single crochet around. You can do single crochet or you can do slip stitches also. It's up to you. I think I did. What did I do here? I think I did slip stitches. I don't remember. Let's just do single crochet around. And see, I'm grabbing both sides so that it'll join them. Okay, so grab this and this to connect them. And one more. There you go. And now we can cut this. And there it is, our little monster. Oh, ho, ho. What do you think? Now all we gotta do is, here, let me zoom in a little. There you go. Okay, now we just need to add legs and arms, so we're gonna work on that. Okay, so for that we are just gonna make some very easy. This you can make it in different ways, but I'm gonna make it the most simple in my opinion. So I'm gonna just leave a little space here for whenever I am going to attach this. Okay, because I'm gonna just I'm just gonna secure this like this, and then I'm gonna leave a space, and I'm gonna start doing from here. I'm gonna loop, and I will do, when you do 25, see, you left this at the beginning, right? It's about 3 inches. Okay, and then you're gonna do the same with the other side. Leave a little space there, about 3 inches, and then cut it. You're gonna have 2 of these. Okay, now we have 2 pieces, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert our hook approximately where the area where we want the legs to be, so maybe there. And I'm gonna grab one of the endings and I'm gonna pull it through here. Got there. You see, that's where one of the legs is gonna go. And I'm gonna pull it approximately where I want the hands to go. Let me think. I want it to be around here. And you can always change it. Test it and then you can change it. So I want the hands to be there. And now I'm gonna pull it. Because it's just a single chain, you can pull it easily. You see, that's one hand. I don't know if I like that. Maybe it needs to be higher a little bit. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is pull it back again. And you see how easy? You just test it. Okay, where is my thread? Let me just take it a little bit. Okay, and you can, I'm gonna, where is my thread? Just to show you how to do it. Okay, come on. Where are you? Where are you thread? I think it's this one. Yes, that one. Okay, so I'm gonna put it higher, just a little higher, just because it seemed a little low. But like I said, you make it. So I'm gonna put it in here. Very high. But that's okay. Okay. Pull it. Okay. And we're gonna do the same with the other one. I'm gonna grab it approximately where I want the legs to be. Maybe around similar to the other one. I'll make it here. Put the other. Grab it. And pull it. Pull it through. And just pull a little bit. Yeah, you see? Now, where the hands, I'm gonna put it in here. Grab it here. I'm gonna grab this loose thread. Pull it through there. And that's where the hand is gonna be hanging. Okay, so here is just the easy part is now we have our legs and our hands. And it just kind of seems to be enough. So you grab a bead, and this is super easy. Just connect them, and all I do is I'm just going to. You could have maybe made a second loop and go through it to hide better, but this is just the easiest way to do it. You know, you practice more, and then you'll find other ways to make things look better. You see, this was my first one, and it's very simple. It's cute and all, but it's very simple. I think adding that little beard made it have more character. I don't know. So there, you gotta secure it very well, and you kind of cut the excess, and then you put this covered in. So we're gonna do that for all the legs and the arms. And we're finished. Here is our little creature. Has a little beard and a space for you to put a little border. And hanging on your purse or your, I don't know, your wallet. And is going to be ready to go to somebody and make a smile. Make somebody smile. So let me know if you like this video, and if you wanna see more content like this, let me know, leave a comment and subscribe. That way I know if I should make more things like this for you. Well, thank you for watching, and have a blessed day. Goodbye.